Hey guys, Happy Dude here, and I did some upgrades to my M41 wide-body boat from Traxxas.
In case you forgot, this was the previous body.
The hull is completely new. Let me know what you think about it. And I've also did some upgrades on the inside and the outside as well. We have some new stabilizers in the same color as the prop and rudder, and you can choose the angle. And on the inside we have a GPS tracker to see the speed. I've also added a wire here to see the voltage, so I can know when the battery is almost empty. We have a RPM sensor, and I have also added a temperature sensor around the motor. This one is actually meant for around the battery, but the batteries don't really get hot, so they don't need it. So you can save some money and get this cheap sensor and use it around the motor. It's the same with this voltage wire. Normally you need some extra clips in between, but they don't have them anymore, so I just pushed the cable out and then soldered it around the positive. Now, if you're only going to use a voltage and temperature sensor, you do not need to buy this extra bit here. You can simply put it in the original box in here.
So once everything is connected in the boat, don't worry, you get clear instructions when you buy the sensors. Then it's time to assign everything in the app to the correct sensor, so the app does know what to do with all the data. For instance, when you add a temperature meter, you have to choose if it is a motor or a battery. And you can also set a warning.
And my new batteries finally arrived. So these batteries were the ones that I've used. They are only 7.4 volts, 2 cells, and these are the new ones, 3 cells, and they are 11.1 volts. Don't worry, I will explain the numbers to you so you know what it means, because a lot of people get confused. The most important thing here is the voltage and the milliamps. The more voltage you have, the faster the motor will spin, so that means more speed. And the milliamps, that's how long you'll be able to drive with it. So the higher the milliamps, the longer you will drive. And 11.1, that's actually when it's almost empty. When the battery is fully charged, it's more like 12 or 13 volts, and they work together, so we have 24 volts and 10,000 milliamps. And with these batteries you can drive for about 6 minutes at full speed, and with these about 15 to 20 minutes, because the motor is spinning slower, and we also have a lot more milliamps.
Now the reason why my 3S batteries are only 5000 milliamps is because when you go more than that, they get really expensive. So this is the top speed with the 2S batteries, 7.4 volts. And this is with the new 3S batteries, 11.1 volts. Okay, I'm coming back with the waves for maximum speed and stability. Let's go, full throttle. Whoa, that's fast. So the acceleration is a lot faster, the top speed is a lot higher, and also the throttle response is a lot sharper. And here is the speed on board with the old batteries. I've also filmed the backside. And this is the speed with the new batteries on board. And this is the backside with the new batteries. So you can already see a big difference in acceleration and speed, but how much? Now we are going to find out with my GPS tracker inside. Let's go. Alright, so with the 2S batteries, the top speed was 52 kilometers an hour. Now, let's try the 3S batteries. So now we finally know the difference in top speed with the two different batteries. And in the next video we are going to see what happens when you adjust the rudder, the trims and the angle and the height of the prop. So if you don't want to miss that, make sure you subscribe and of course don't forget to like this video, and you all have a nice day. Bye!